Hello, I'm Batu, and I'm excited to introduce you to Marvel's APS software, the industry-leading advanced production planning and scheduling solution designed to help manufacturing companies avoid expensive planning bottlenecks and enhance their production efficiency. Our vision is simple: to empower manufacturing companies to plan, schedule, find, and adjust bottlenecks, produce timely. By leveraging the Marvel's APS software, we aim to streamline your production process and drive success through effective planning and scheduling. What can I do with the Marvel's APS software? You can manage demand, capacity, resource, material, and delivery planning. You can run manufacturing planning scenarios to choose the best option for your organization. You can detect and adjust bottlenecks, finding solutions for continuous improvement. You can generate managerial reports and receive automatic notifications. You can access multi-location, multi-currency, and multi-language capabilities. You can also use mobile device for on-the-go task management. Here are the key benefits of our using software. It increases production uptime and productivity. It boosts customer satisfaction while reducing cost and shipment delays. You can enhance capacity utilization and reduce production delays and waste. You can optimize manufacturing resources and improve competitiveness. It can also productively adjust planning issues for continuous improvement. Key features of the Marvel's APS software include true cloud technology and a native mobile app, integration with ERP, MRP systems, and much more. It has a user-friendly interface with security features and digital audit trails. It's already a ready-made reports and notification systems. It also has a modular structure for tailored customer satisfactions. Our solution is versatile and serves a wide range of industries, including aerospace, defense, automotive, food and beverage, healthcare, manufacturing, pharma, and many more. In conclusion, the Marvel's APS software is your comprehensive solution for overcoming planning challenges and driving manufacturing excellence. Thank you.